everyone, it is me, Wolfie, and today I am playing another Roblox video, and I'm on Theme Park Tycoon. If I look like a noob, it's because I don't have any Robux. Well, I only had I didn't have any Robux. I've never had any Robux. Well, I have had Robux quite a while ago, but yeah, let's just get on with it. I do look like a noob right now. And my theme park is literally called Woo, like you go woo, and then it's called Work in Progress. And literally, I've got no likes, and I've not done anything. So, and plus, it'd be really helpful if you guys could tell me how I dig down, so I can at least make a pool here, because there's literally supposed to be a pool here. As you can see, it says Pool Work in Progress. So literally, I've got nothing here. It says pool work in progress, and literally there's still nothing. So if you could comment down below in the description box how I dig down to make a pool, it would be very helpful. And to any of you who don't know me, I've only just joined Roblox and YouTube. Well, I haven't only just joined Roblox, but I've only just joined YouTube. So yeah. If you see lots of Wolfie, find my video where it's like this one, and the title says playing Roblox, really excited. Okay, so type in that on YouTube, and then look for the video that says that as the title, or look for the video where the thumbnail, I forgot what it's called, where the thumb thingy says Ripple Mini Games. Okay, that is my account. There's lots of Wolfie Wolves, but yeah, I'm just checking out this one. There's literally no rides except for the teacup ride and the carousel. So yeah, it'd be really helpful if you could do that for me. And yeah, today I'm going to be doing a face reveal. So my box will be like where the names are now. And when I am doing that, I will be showing you my tycoon. You've probably already seen it. So yeah, stalls, and I will be right back with my webcam in the corner, and then you can see my thing, and then you can see my screen. But I'll hide, and then I'll say, so guys, this is my face. Drum roll please. Or drum roll please. And then I will show you my face. So I will be right back. Well guys, it turns out I don't really, because I've only just joined YouTube, I don't really know how to get my webcam on the side. So in my next video, that's when I will be doing my face reveal. And this is my tycoon. I've only done a few rides. I've done the watchtower, the teacups. That's where the pool is supposed to be. I've decorated it with 6 fountains, 2 piles of gold, and 2 trees. And I made a little mistake there, so I've just used path to cover it. That's like a little hill. So here is my hot drinks stall. There is my cotton candy stall. This is my pizza stall, my soft drinks stall, and my burger stall. So let's get building. I'm going to destroy this and this, and then I'm going to get a path. Plonk, 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 plonk. Actually, that's where my stall's going to go, so I at least have some room. I think I'm going to do Dino Hat stall here. Yay! from that, I'm going to touch this. Oopsie, oopsie. Oh, my lips. Then I'm going to get the ice cream stall. Yay! And yeah, that's all I'm going to do for now. I'm going to put in the chat. Who knows how I dig down so I can make a pool? If you do, please tell me how to. Doot, doot. There. Oh no! It's going to leave without me. It left without me. Okay, so Lego. Let's see how good people are at this game. They're obviously going to be better than me, except from this one. Yeah, this one's literally got nothing on it. In it. This one's only got stalls, and I'm gonna look out some other people's. Guys, when I have finished this video, I'm hopefully going to be able to make another video, and when I make another video, I'm going to do my face reveal. I know I've already told you that, but who cares? So here are my torches for, oh sorry, here are my torches for my entrance. And then you've got the burger stall here, then you've got the soft drinks as soon as you come in, then you've got the pizza and candy floss after that, and then you come here, you've got the Dino Hut stall, and you've got the ice cream stall, and then here's the work in progress pool. Then you've got my watchtower, my teacup ride, and then here is my hot drinks stall. So yeah, I hope you all like it. If you join my game, it would be a pleasure for you to tell me that you watch my videos, and it'd be really helpful if you would like, subscribe, click on the bell so you get notified every time and make sure to share and leave a comment. If I've already said leave a comment, I'm gonna say it again. So yeah, well, because I've not really got anything on this, I think that's a wrap for this video. Sorry it was a really short video. Yeah, I will do another video on this game when I have got my pool done, some more rides, stuff like that, and when I've got some more plotting. Thanks. Bye.